So let's look at some of the notes and some of the commentaries in this verse. I gave an introduction. I said this verse is commanding the mind. It's a command to the mind. Because we have to direct the mind by... That's what sankalpa means. Sankalpa means resolution, affirmation, firm decision, irrevocable plan. For example, it's Kartik. All right, I make a resolve. It's called sankalpa. I take a sankalpa that I'm going to bathe every day. I'm going to offer this ghee lamp. I'm going to do that. Everyone knows it's called niyam. Niyam means specific regulated offerings. Niyama. So everyone has that. So we say that in the beginning of the month. We make that for 1 month. I will do these things. But then every day you have to remind yourself, oh, that's right, I forgot those astakams. I went to this class and that class, and I talked to this one, that one. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. I still have these astakams. Anyway. So this is the niyam. We're bound. In this month, we're bound by the niyam. Even though we're in rag marg, but we're increasing our rag, increasing our love for Radharani, attachment for Radharani by offering more. So this is our niyam. So not only is it once in the beginning of the month or the beginning of Ekadasi, you make a sankalpa. I will fast all day. I will do nirjal all day by the mercy of Guru and Krishna. And then halfway through the day or towards the end of the day, oh, I'm so thirsty, hungry. Anyway, I almost all day I fasted without water. No, this is my sankalpa. I took this sankalpa in the morning before my Thakurji. Oh, Thakurji, please bless me. I promise I want to offer this to you. I want to fast all day. Please bless me. And then we repeat our sankalpa, reassert our resolution. So this is, now if it's 30 days, every day you have to remind yourself. So this is what he's telling. This is a sankalpa. He's commanding the mind. Do like this. Leave everything, go here. And why should we go here? Why should we leave everything and come here? Because there's a great jewel of love here. There's a great jewel of beautiful moods and sweet moods, subhava. He says, subhava sudha rasogam. So this is what it's all about. He says he's commanding the mind to let go of everything else, move to Vrindavan, take shelter of Radharani, and get saved. Sat-tarani. Sat-tarani. Jagat-tarani. Jagat-tarani is a name. Jagat means universe, and Tarani means deliver. It's a name for Durga, for Shiva's wife, Parvati. She delivers the universe, Jagat-tarani. So here it says Sat-tarani. Durga is busy delivering the universe, Jagat-tarani. But Radharani is Sat-tarani. Sat-tarani means the devotees, the truth seekers, the seekers of truth, the livers of truth, the worshippers of truth. So she delivers them. She delivers everyone in Vrindavan by her Shakti, by her mercy.